Okay, so hi everyone for who's listening. My name is Trixie and now I'm be talking about compound shape on page 23 and 24, and it's also same and page 19. Yeah, the question is the same. Now I'll start in page 23 first. For the first question, the diagram shows a compound shape made up of a rectangle and square. Calculate its area. So you can know that this is a square, and square has a characteristic which is all the sides is the same, and it's given here that it's 5 cm, so here is also 5 cm. So now to calculate the area of this compound shape, you need to use the length times the height, which the height is 5 cm, and then times the length, which is 4 cm, plus 4 cm add up with 5 cm. So it's, and then you get 5 cm. So we do the one in bracket first, which is 4 plus 5, and it's 9 cm. So it's 5 cm times 9 cm. You'll get 45 cm squared. Remember the unit. Now question 2. The diagram shows a compound shape made up of a rectangle and square. The area of the square is 16 cm square. Calculate the area of the compound shape. So you can know that this square is 16 cm square. As you know, square has all same side. So that means is 2 a same number times itself, a number times itself, you'll get 16, which you need to find it by using the square root. The square root of 16 is 4, because 4 times 4 is 16. So you can know that this side, the height and the length of this square is 4 cm. So as same as question 1, firstly take the height 4 cm times the compound rectangle, and the square is 8 cm, 8 cm plus 4 cm. So you'll get 4 cm and do in the brackets first. 8 cm plus 4 cm, you get 12 cm. So 4 cm times 12 cm, you'll get 48 cm squared. Remember the unit always. And that's for question 1 and 2. Next, let us move to question 3 and question 4. Question 3. The diagram shows a compound shape made out of a rectangle and square. The area of the compound shape is 22.5 cm squared. Calculate the value of the length L. So you can know that the whole shape is 22.5. So as here the height is given and it's a square, so here is also 3. So we'll do as opposite when we find the area. So firstly we need to find the square. So square, the height is 3 cm and the base is also 3 cm, so it's 3 times 3 times 3, you get 9 cm square. So you'll take 22.5 cm square to minus 9 cm square, as the 22.5 is the total. So when you take 22.5 minus 9 cm square, you'll get 13.5 cm square. So that means the 13.5 is the rectangle here. So as you know, the height of the rectangle is 3. So 13.5 cm square divided by 3 cm, you get the base. which is the answer is 4.5. So because 3 times 4.5 is 13.5. So the length is 4.5. Yeah, L equals to 4.5. Now question 4, the diagram shows a compound shape made up of a rectangle and triangle. Calculate the area of the compound shape. So to calculate the area of the compound shape, firstly we need to calculate the square. Yeah, it's a rectangle, sorry. So take 2.5 meter, which is the height, times the base, 3 meter, and we'll get 7.5. So the area of the rectangle is 7.5 meters squared. Now let's find the triangle. To find the triangle, you need to find the horizontal height first. So here got the total height of the compound shape, which is 4 meter. Then minus the height of the rectangle, 2.5 meter, we'll get 1.5 meter. And then the formula of the triangle is 1/2 times the height, which is 1.5 meter, and then times the base. The base is same as the rectangle, the rectangle base, which is 3 meter. So when you take 1/2 times 1.5 meter times 3 meter, you'll get 2.25 meters squared. So 2.25 meters square is the area of the triangle, and the 7.5 meters square is the area of the rectangle. So to calculate the area of the compound shape, add up these two area, which is 7.5 meter, 2.25 meters square. And then you'll get 9.75 meters square. And that's for question 4. Next, let us move on. On question 5 first. Question 5. A square hole is cut off a grass lawn in order to plant vegetable seeds. Calculate the area of the lawn that is left over. So the area that we need to calculate is this area. So first, you need to calculate the original lawn. So which is given here, the base is 3 meter and the height is 1.5 meter. So 3 times 1.5, you'll get 4.5. So the original one is 4.5 meter. Then you need to minus the square hole that is cut out, which is 1.25 meter times 1.25 meter. Because it's a square, so it's times itself. So 1.25 times 1.25, you will get 1.562 meter square. Now take this minus this, which is the original one, 4.5 meter minus the cutout one, 1.5625 meter square, and we'll get 2.9375 meter square. So it's the area, the area of the lawn that is left over is 2.9375 meters square. And that's all for the question 5. Next, move on to question 6. Question 6. The front view of the shed is shown. The rectangle cross section, including the door, which is this whole part, has a total area of 3.6 meters squared. Calculate the vertical height of the triangle roof. So the part that we need to find is here. So to find the vertical height of the triangle roof, we need to find out the area, the height of the rectangle cross section, which is this part. So then we can take 3.1 meter to minus it and then get the vertical height of the triangular roof. So as known, the area of the rectangular cross section is 3.6 meters squared. And then we can divide it by the base to get the height. So 3.6 meters squared divided by 3 and we'll get 1.2 meter. So that means the height of the rectangular cross section is 1.2 meter. Then take the total height of it, of the compound shape, which is 3.1 meter minus the height of the rectangular cross section, 1.2 meter, then you'll get 1.9 meter. So the vertical height of the triangular roof is 1.9 meter. Next, question 7, calculate the area of the cross section of the rectangular roof in question 6. That means you need to find this. So as the height is given, which is 1.9, and the base is given also 3 meter. So use the formula of finding rectangle is 1/2 times the height, which is 1.9 meter, times the base, which is 3 meter, and you'll get 2.85 meter squared. And that's for question 6 and 7. Next, move on to question 8 and 9. Question 8. A regular hexagon with an area of 32 cm square is tessellated to form a pattern. How many hexagons are in the pattern if the total area is 480 cm square? So, to find the number of hexagons in the patterns, we need to use the total area of the hexagon of the patterns, which is 480 cm square, to divide it by the area of one regular hexagon, which is 32 cm square. And then you'll get 15. So that means there's 15 regular hexagon with the area of 32 cm square is used to tessellate it to form a pattern, and then the pattern total area is 480 cm square. Next, question 9. A shape is made out of two congruent triangles inscribed in a rectangle. The shape has a total area of 15 cm square and a horizontal length of 5 cm. Calculate the total area of the two triangles. So that means the horizontal length is 5 cm, which is this part is 5 cm. And then as it is known, then we can use this to find the vertical length of the shape by using the area. So the total area 15 cm square divided by the horizontal length, which is 5 cm, you'll get 3 cm. That means that here is 3 cm. And then by using 3 cm, you can find the vertical length of the triangle, of one triangle, because there's two congruent triangles here. So take 3 cm divided by 2, you'll get 1.5 cm. So that means the vertical height of one congruent triangle is 1.5 cm. So next we'll find the area of one triangle first by using the formula, which is 1/2 times the vertical height, which is 1.5 cm, times the base, which is given by in the questions, which is 5 cm. And then you will get 3.75 cm squared. Then there's two triangles, so times 2, 3.75 cm squared times 2, and we'll get 7.5 cm squared. And so the total area of this two triangle is 7.5 cm squared. Next, let us continue by the last questions. Sami sketches a rocket out of polygons, which is the triangle, rectangle, and a trapezium. The vertical height of the rocket is 10 cm, which is here until here is 10 cm. And at its widest, it is 8 cm in length. So the widest is actually here, the triangle base, the base of the triangle, yeah. It's 8 cm. Calculate the area of the rocket. So we need to calculate the different polygons separately. So firstly, we'll calculate the triangle first. So the triangle is given, which the widest is the widest. The triangle has the widest length in the horizontal height. So using the formula, first we write 1/2 first, and then the height is given. The vertical height is given, which is 2 cm. And then by the question, you also know that the base is 8 cm. And so 1/2 times 2 cm times 8 cm, you'll get 8 cm squared. So 8 cm squared is the area for the triangle. Next, calculate the rectangle, which is base times height. The base is 4 cm times the height, which is 3 cm. 4 times 3, you'll get 12 cm squared. So 12 cm squared is the area of the rectangle. Next, we'll calculate the trapezium. So the formula of the trapezium is A plus B divided by 2 and then times the height. So firstly, we will need to know what is A plus B first. A plus B is the base times the upper width. Yeah. So the base is actually 5 cm, and then plus B, which is the upper length, which is same as the width of the rectangle, which is 4 cm. And then divided by 2 and then times height. And then their height is actually not given, but then we can know it by taking the total height of the whole rocket and then minus the height of the triangle, which is 2 cm, and then minus the height of the rectangle, which is 3 cm, and we'll get the height of the trapezium. So firstly, 5 cm plus 4 cm is 9 cm divided by 2 times 10 minus 2 minus 3. 10 minus 2 minus 3, which is 5 cm. Yeah. So we'll get 9 cm divided by 2 times 5. 9 cm divided by 2 is 4.5 cm. So it's 4.5 cm times 5 cm. 4.5 times 5, you'll get 22 22.5 cm squared. So 22.5 cm squared is the area of the trapezium. Then to find the total area of the rocket, we need to add up all of the area of the polygons, which is 8 cm squared plus 12 cm squared from the rectangle, and then 22.5 cm squared from the trapezium. Add up these three numbers, will get 42.5 cm squared. So the total area of the rocket is 42.5 cm squared, and that's all for question 10. And also that's all from the for the compound shape. Okay. And yeah, that's all.